Pagbuhos ng iba't ibang emosyon matapos ang harapang nominasyon.
I didn't plan to hurt you, but I know it's gonna hurt. I know it's gonna hurt you. I also thought you'd understand.
Ngayong gabi, bago pa man ang mga tensyon, isang mapusong pagbisita ang naganap.
Maligayang pagdating sa bahay ko.
Hi, Kuya. So today I'm making banana a la Cameroon baby root channel forte channelus.
Banana, baby root, kemi root? Yun ba yun, kuya? Di ko alam kung sino yung mga yun, kuya. Sino baby root tsaka si kemi root. Baka mga kaibigan niya, siguro, kuya, si baby root tsaka si kemi root, kuya.
Lahat ng yan,
I got nothing to worry about.
bago tuluyang matapos ang araw, si Ralph naglakas na loob na kausapin ang binigyan ng puntos na si AZ.
I don't even know how to start. Oh my God. I just want to say sorry, first of all. Kasi I know you trusted me. Yung mga kwento mo, yung mga rants mo about what you were thinking about, what you were worrying about. I just want to apologize now. That's the reason that we used kanina to give you guys the points. I completely understand if you feel betrayed, if you feel like you can't trust me anymore. And that's why I couldn't get myself to talk to you right away.
I'm okay naman. Totoo naman din yung mga sinabi mo. It was true. I can't lie, it was really painful. Especially that it was coming from you guys. I really didn't expect it na kayo pa. Yung pitik part, I really thought you were the one who really understood me. Support na yun. And I didn't expect that you would use it against me. We talked about it eh. Sakit. I know dami ko pagkukulang. Just hurts coming from you guys. I'm fighting this for Riv. I'm fighting this for Riv. Reason bakit na-nominated siya. He really doesn't deserve this.
So you're not gonna give up this week? Say it. Say it.
I won't.
Say it.
I won't give up this week.
And
Laban. Ano?
I have no right back.
It's okay.
Sorry na.
Don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm just happy you guys are safe.
Ilang sandali pa, naghanda ng matulog ang lahat.
Night, guys!
Magpahinga na ngayon.
Night, good night.
Pray.
Night, night.
Night, child.
Night.
Child. Good night. Sleep well.
Night.
Already.
Oh, can I say goodnight?
Dali.
Night. Oh, goodnight, Brett. Honey dip.
It's the secret.
And then, the music video.
Music.
Night, girls.
Good night, Mom.
Nighty, baby.
Matapos nga ang mahabang araw ng mga housemates, sa huli ay nagawa nilang malagpasan ang pagsubok ng harapang nominasyon na may pagmamahal at pagkakaintindihan pa rin sa isa't isa. Pero paano nga kaya ang tatakbuhin ng mga susunod na araw kung mas matinding hamon pa ang kanilang haharapin? Yan ang ating aabangan. Hello Philippines and hello world! Matapos ating mapanood ang naging harapang nominasyon at ang epekto nito sa mga housemates, magre-rewind lang muna tayo ng konting-konti dahil bago pa man nabuo ang mga tensyon na yan, isang mapusong pagbisita ang naganap sa loob ng bahay. Ating babalikan ng mga kwentong yan, narito. Matapos magkaroon ng kanilang final duos, ipinatawag ni Kuya ang housemates para sa isang task.
Housemates, isang task ang nais kong ipagawa sa inyo na tatawagin kong The Art of Giving. Sa task na ito, duo kayong gagawa ng isang painting kung saan ninyo ipapahayag ang charity na nais ninyong tulungan at mga personal ninyong dahilan sa pagpili ng charity na ito.
Isang artist ang inimbitahan ko dito para tingnan ang gagawin ninyong mga artwork.
Ilang sandali pa, kanya-kanya ng pwesto ang magkakaduo para gawin ang kanilang artwork inspired by their chosen charities.
Ang ganda. Hindi pala naisip natin to.
Sa panibagong araw sa bahay ni Kuya, habang abala ang housemates sa kanilang paintings, nakatanggap sila ng mensahe mula kay Kuya.
Don't go breaking my heart. Heart is correct. Okay. Kuya, I thought. Oh! Oh my God! It's Ate Artevan!
It's Ate! Oh my God! It's hard to barista!
Hala! Hala! Oh my God! It's hard talaga! Oh my God! Makikita ko na si Mama Mary. Oh my gosh, you miss her. Girl, let's redo that. Let's erase everything.
Real.
Nafe-feel ko na po talaga na
Miss Heart, Evangelista is on her way!
ayun po, sobrang kinikilig po talaga ako.
Wow!
Maya-maya pa si River tila excited sa mga nakita sa plasma.
Grabe, Heart. Punta dito.
Paredy ka bigla.
Crush ko yun dati.
Gets.
Kaya aga-aga, nakaporma na ang mga boys. Ready na! Paano kaya kung malaman yung nandito na siya?
Maligayang pagdating sa bahay ko.
Hi, Kuya. I'm so nervous to be here. Baka mahiya sila sa akin o baka maartehan sila sa akin. But I'm happy to be here.
I am happy to have you here. Gusto kitang pasalamatan sa pagbisita sa bahay ko.
It's an honor to be here. I'm a fan of you and I'm excited na makilala silang lahat.
Kamusta ka?
Actually, nagugutom na ako dahil hindi ako nag-breakfast kaya makikikain na rin ako.
Pwede yan. Para sa una mong task, gusto ko na ikaw mismo ang magsabi sa mga housemates ko na oras na para magluto. Ngayong linggo, nabuo na ang kanilang mga final duos. At dahil dito, pumili sila ng kanilang mga charities na gusto nilang matulungan. At isang task ang ibinigay ko. Pinagawa ko sila ng painting base sa pinili nilang charity.
Para sa task ng house guest na si Heart, kailangan niya magkaroon ng heart-to-heart talk sa mga housemates tungkol sa kanilang mga paintings na sumisimbolo sa mga charitable institutions na napili ng duos at ang kwento sa likod ng pagpili nila sa mga ito.
Sige po.
You are the perfect guest para dito. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Good luck, Heart.
Thank you.
Paglabas ni Heart mula sa confession room,
Nagugutom na po ako. Coach. Kuya, saan po yung garden?
in fair, curious din ako, ano nga kaya yung career ni Kuya? Baka naman isa lang talaga siyang Kuya.
Here?
Pagdating ni Heart sa garden,
Nung lumabas po siya sa garden area, ayan po kuya, nakasmile siya, nagwe-wave-wave siya, tapos para siyang prinsesa na pumasok dito sa bahay kuya.
Nagugutom na talaga ako. Kumain na tayo. It's time to prepare the food for today. Mga madam.
Sabi ko sa inyo, hi Miss Heart!
Hi, madam!
I'm Clarice.
Hi, Joyce!
Hi Miss Heart! Thank you po, Miss Heart!
Thank you. Hi, nice to meet you.
Wait lang. Hello. Starstruck kami kuya, parang Nakatunganga lang kami sa kanya, kuya. Grabe yung liit ng mukha. Tsaka nung lumapit na siya, kuya, Diyos ko, Lord, ang bango.
Hi, Charlie.
Oh my God!
Wait, huwag ka nga ganyan. Ang ganda-ganda mo kaya.
She's gorgeous, kuya. She was glowing like an angel.
Ang gutom na si Heart gustong tumulong sa kusina.
Gagawin natin kung hindi pa rin nakaluto.
Hindi, magpe-prepare ikaw. I will help. Tulungan na kita. Anong balak niyo? May something. Sorry, hindi ako
Nakakaya naman.
The heart is there.
Yun yung pinakakabado kong nagluto, but ang saya kasi kung hindi namin in-expect na sobrang kalog niya. Napaka-humble.
Maya-maya pa, si Heart naisipan namang mag-tablescape.
Magka-tablescape tayo. Pwede ba akong manggulo ng konti? Para ma-feel natin yung moment.
Yes. You can have anything also. Oh, wow. Wow.
Wow.
Diba?
Wow. Merry Christmas!
All the condiments of discussion.
Yes.
We place that over there.
Wow.
Kung hindi magkaaway, walang choice. Can you please pass the salt?
Grabe kuya, unang beses ko nakita ang dining table na ganyan yung setup. Na parang formal dining kuya, yung atake.
Diba? Ang ganda. See the difference? On yung candles natin.
Ang gusto ko ipa-dim lights to, kuya.
Kuya,
Narito na ang update sa nagaganap na botohan as of 5 p.m.
Ilang sandali pa, si Heart nakipagkwentuhan sa mga housemates.
It would be so nice for you to, open up about what's in your heart, ganyan, or if you have any questions for me, I'd surely love to answer anything from my heart, 100%, no filter.
What did you do when you were starting po? That would help us, be motivated, inspired.
And when I was starting out, all I knew is at that time, maarte ako. Kikay ako, mahilig ako magbihis. Pero hindi naman din talaga yun yung gusto ng tao, di ba? Parang gusto nila yung simple ka lang. Sobrang hirap ako to navigate kung anong gusto nila. I only really truly found, I feel like my path is when I stopped playing the characters on television and I started to become myself. Part of that is not a lot of people are going to like you, but you can't win them all. My mom would always tell me you'd rather have a handful of friends than an army of acquaintances. And it's the same with your fans. Not everybody will understand you. Not everybody will truly see your heart. Now, siguro, normalize being human. And the moment that you're confident about being yourself, the good and the bad, then you can do anything after this. All the doors will open up and will accept you for who you truly are. So yun. Yes.
Miss Hart, what pushed you po to make that transition, Chris, to being the world-renowned fashion icon na po ngayon ng international stages?
Kasi, I feel like wala naman talagang may gusto sa akin. At that time, I wasn't getting the right breaks because I feel like yung personality ko as who I am, masyadong nagsashine. Kumbaga, sino maniniwala sa akin, kaya pag ganun ko pa, naka-nail art, hindi ako masyadong bet ng market, kumbaga. And so, I feel like I had to, in a sense, lose my path for me to really find who I truly am. It's like when they say, when you reach rock bottom in life, you should be thankful that this is it. I've reached the rock bottom. Be comforted with the fact because there's nowhere else to go but up. But it's also the same thing as when you're up in your pinnacle, there's nowhere else to go but down. I started my career in fashion and everything was the moment that I embraced my flaws, the moment I wanted to do something for myself and not for people to like me. I wanted to like myself. And there's a rhyme and reason for everything, for who you are. So you just have to be yourself and you will truly shine. Concentrate on yourself because you have to like yourself. And if you like what you're doing, you will really blossom. So yun. Yes.
Miss Hart, how did you get to art and painting? Were you always into painting and art?
Yes, ever since. Do you paint?
No.
You'll see later.
Actually, everybody's an artist. The moment that you're comfortable with your vulnerability, it'll be released somewhere, whether that's content creating, whether that's playing roles, whether that's setting table, or whether that's painting. So, yeah, ever since before, bata pa ako. Pero wala naman may gusto ng painting ko, sa totoo lang. Kaya nga nilagay kong pangalan ko, Love Marie. I wanted people to see it without the judgment of me being an artista. Painting is really a big part of my life, myself, because I'm aware that I won't always be young. I'm aware that I won't always be what they expect me to be. But hopefully, in a sense, my paintings are the only thing that will immortalize me somehow.
Sila ang mga nominado ngayong linggo. AZ and River.
We are Asver. We're heading to Big Night.
Dustin and Bianca.
Kami ang
Dosby Happy.
Shubi and Clarice.
Team Shokla! Sabay na lalangoy hanggang dulo.
Sino ang duo na gusto mong iligtas? To vote, use the Maya app and choose the duo you want to save. You have the power to vote. PBB Celebrity Collab Edition.
Ang housemates patuloy na kinikilala ang kanilang bisita.
Paano niyo po na-reach yung point na ganyan po kayo ka-confident?
Ako?
Yes.
Confident ba ako, Chat? I don't think I've buried myself, different versions of myself many times in the past. Hindi naman ako dun sa But it's true, you know, I had to bury different versions of myself in the past to be able to embrace who I truly am today. Because I love myself today and I know that I've given myself over and beyond many times, whether that's to my career, for people to like me. Why don't you like me? Yung ganyan, yung bakit na arte sa akin, ano ginagawa? But I'm sure ngayon, madami pa rin na arte sa akin, di ba? Pero dahil masyado na akong nabugbog, parang hindi ko naman hahayaan na bugbugin niyo ako ulit, di ba? Maliit ako, pero standing tall ako. Madami na akong pinagdaanan sa buhay ko. Hindi ko nakahayaan na masaktan niyo ako. Parang ganon. So whether that sometimes I look like I'm confident, it's more of, I know my worth. So siguro yun yung vibe na nafe-feel niyo. But that comes with age and experience. So it's fine. Kung nasaktan ka, kung nagtiwala ka, tapos feeling mo na isahan ka, still it's fine. Thank you pa rin. I'll be a better person. Oh my God, so much better one day. Parang ganun.
Amazed ako sa personality at saka sa mindset ni Miss Hart. Ang dami ko na natutunan sa kanya, kuya.
At the age of, how old was I? 37, 38 at the time. Medyo late. Na I really had to love myself first. I can't keep pleasing you. I can't keep making everyone happy. I can't keep buying everybody something just to keep a friendship. I can't, ano ba yun, yung parang feeling mo, binibili mo na lang na lahat ng tao para samahan ka kasi takot kang maging mag-isa. Eh ako, super fear ko yun eh. Takot ako maging mag-isa. During those moments is when I realized na I love them as much as I love me, but I have to love myself first in order for me to give more love to others.
Wow.
Yun din. Unahin mo yung sarili mo lagi.
Si Hart naman ang nagpakwento sa mga housemates.
Okay, let's talk about exes. Umpisahan na natin yung lintik na ex na yan.
Ito si Easy.
Time mo na to.
Admittedly, I was toxic and he was toxic also. We were both toxic. Dito ko na-realize na pinipilit ko na lang kahit hindi na dapat. Kasi there was a time na dapat mag-walk away na siya. Pinilit ko. I asked him to stay. Hindi ko din kaya mag-isa. Sobrang dependent ako sa kanya and I really wanted it to last. But I ignored all the signs.
The red flags.
Yeah.
Nagsulat ng reseta. Antibiotic na to. Wala na to pag-asa. Ganito lang yan. Para lang yan virus. O, mamamatay din yung virus na yan. With a habit, it takes 2 weeks to break a habit. It only takes 2 weeks. If you know it's toxic, why are you gonna waste your beauty? Why are you gonna waste your time when you could be with the right person? It only appears to be great because napaka-intense. But great loves, you don't necessarily end up with. They're only meant to be great so you remember the memory forever. When you get out of here, you'll be a different person because of your experiences. Don't go back to him.
Thank you. Thank you, sorry.
Ano lang, 2 weeks na, 2 weeks of medication.
Miss Heart, my question is, gutom ka na ba?
Sobra. Charot. Ano na, magpiprito na lang kaya ako ng banana na may sugar. Diba? Yung masarap yun. Kayang-kaya.
Kung ano amats niyo po, go, madam.
Si Heart at nagsimula ng maghanda muna ng appetizer.
Parang pampika-pika lang, no? Ako na, sis.
Nagluto pa talaga siya, kuya. Sabi niya, guys, do you want to try fried bananas?
That was his prom day.
Yan na. Wait lang.
Dear Miss Heart, parang kung sa amin, parang banana Q lang pag kami gumawa. Pero pag si Miss Heart po gumawa, kuya, gourmet! 5-star Michelin restaurant yung atake, kuya.
News ka pa rin. Hindi ko na-stop. Charot. Hindi to pwedeng maano. Wag. Guys, pika-pika lang to kasi si adobo parang 25,000 hours. Meron kayong cinnamon powder? Charot. Walang ganun. Ano pa bang iba?
Lahat po ng ginagawa niya may halong high class, high fashion.
So today, we're gonna try to make an experiment of some sort.
Sponge cake.
You have to make do of what you have. Yes, and it's only 180 calories. Star!
Sabi niya hindi niya daw alam paano talaga siya lutuin. It's the thought that counts. Yun nga po yung lagi niyang sinasabi.
So today, I'm making banana a la Cameroon Baby Root Channel Forte Channelus. I love it. It's gourmet. Kahit ice cream, wala kayo?
We make.
You make?
Yeah, ice cream.
Talaga?
I'll make you one po. Kaso dapat matulog ka dito. Kasi kailangan mag-freeze.
Isa siyang si Heart Evangelista. Parang kami lang, parang housemate lang siya kanina ko. Nakakatuwa.
Appetizer daw muna.
It's not bad.
But it's not good.
It's good.
Tinikman namin, kuya. Wow, ang sarap, kuya. Parang gagawin rin namin to, kuya.
Do you see the banana?
Yes.
Okay.
Banana... Baby root, Kemi root? Yun ba yun, kuya? Di ko alam kung sino yung mga yun, kuya. Sino Baby root, tsaka si Kemi root. Pero yan yung tawag niya sa appetizer niya, kuya. Baka mga kaibigan niya, siguro, kuya, si Baby root, tsaka si Kemi root, kuya.
Segundo.
Shut up, sis.
Sobrang sarap yung part.
Fairness, Congrats.
Fairness.
Ang sarap siya. Oo nga, nagulat din ako sa sarili ko.
Si Heart, isinagawa na ang kanyang task patungkol sa mga paintings ng final duos na sumisimbolo sa napili nilang charity.
Let's talk about the paintings.
The foundation that we chose is Animal Kingdom Foundation. Meron din akong pet, which is si Kino. Feeling ko as humans, responsibility rin natin na alagaan sila.
As for me naman, I had a fur baby. Her name was Peach. However, I lost her recently lang. So, kaya sobrang importante ng foundation na to is because naniniwala ako na yung dogs, hindi lang sila basta pets. Use everything to me. And wala man siya sa mundong ito, I'm very, very happy to say na God has earned an angel up there. And
she's really busy right now finding her way back to you. So don't worry, because she will find her way back to you.
Yeah. Lord, thank you. Doing this for charity, for a greater cause will also give me a sense of fulfillment because feeling ko dogs, sila yung nangangatawan ng meaning ng unconditional love because sa lahat ng seasons natin, tinatanggap nila tayo ng buong buo. So I think they deserve the same kind of treatment and love.
Maya-maya pa, sina Shuvi at Clarice naman ang nagbahagi.
So our chosen charity envisions a community where people embrace volunteerism.
Itong charity na to, talagang sinusupport ko na talaga siya ever since. So, nung nakita ko siya, parang hindi na ako dalawang isip na piliin talaga tong charity na to. And nung nagdo-drawing ako, naisip ko yung hands, dalawang hands, kasi para sa akin, nagsisimbolize siya ng pagtutulungan. Inaangat mo yung mga nasa ilalim, and gaya ng araw, gusto namin kahit papaano makatulong magbigay liwanag sa mga taong nakakaranas ng kadiliman. So, sobrang saya namin na magkakaroon kami ng chance na makatulong at magbigay ng bagong pag-asa. Kaya ng mga ibon at ulap.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much. Ganda.
Bilang kaisa-isang girl final duo po dito sa loob ng bahay niyo, kuya, napili din po namin duo kasi ito po yung pinangungunahan din ng isang babae din, kuya, na tingin namin sobrang nakarelate po kami, kuya. Mapupunta po talaga sa magandang cause tong maitutulong po namin if ever, kuya.
Yes, we also believe, kuya, na women are so capable of doing so much more.
Habang malapit naman sa puso ni AZ at River ang napili nilang charity dahil sa kanika nilang ama na yumao dahil sa sakit.
When I was 8 years old, he was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, and the doctors only gave him 6 months to live. But then he chose to turn his life around. So farm tourism, helping the environment, being a leader in many organizations. And sadly, he passed away 3 years ago. His fight was definitely an inspiration to not just me, but then other people also.
My father passed away as well 2 years ago. Growing up, I would always be at rehabilitation centers because he was there. My dad was diagnosed liver cirrhosis. The doctor told us that he was diagnosed a year before and he didn't tell us. I had so many questions. So how come he didn't tell us? Maybe he didn't want us to see that he was suffering.
We chose the Cancer Treatment and Support Foundation, Inc. because they just don't focus on the patient's mental, physical, emotional, and financial purposes, but also the families. It's not just the patient that is going through this, but also the family.
This one is a little kid, represents both River and I. We didn't know much about this world, what was going on. Because of the parent, we saw life with colors.
At nagbahagi na rin ang iba pang housemates. Sa huli, nagbigay ng mensahe si Heart sa mga housemates.
You do certain charities in order to create awareness for them, in order to generate whatever profit that you can generate for them, and to really put the spotlight on them. But never forget that as you work on this 100% of the time, that you also have to do some things that aren't seen by many. Because no matter what it is, we do have our points here on earth, but our points in heaven are far more important than our points in here on earth. As a public figure, kumbaga yun yung expected ni Lord sa'yo na gawin mo. We have in a sense power to put the spotlight on specific charities. Like for me, for 20 years, I've been very involved with thalassemia patients. And for others like, Aspins and all of that. But I feel like all of us, we are here to be a vessel of blessings. Hindi natin alam kung kailan matatapos yung panahon natin dito sa mundo. So, it's important not for people to necessarily see, but for your soul. It's number one.
Abangan bukas!
Nagre-request yata yung bisita nyo. Gusto mo bang pagkalooban siya ng ice cream?
Yes, kuya. Gagawin ko po lahat.
Sometimes when you're very busy, you get lonely and you need a pause, and they were just such a breath of fresh air.